Hey, this is Daniella from Daniella.io, and in today's video, we're going to talk about different e-commerce business models. Now, I noticed most of the videos on YouTube talking about e-commerce business models aren't actually talking about e-commerce specifically. Most of them are about basic business models, so B2B, B2C, which can apply to practically any business in general. I mean, for example, a mine can be B2B, but they don't sell online. So in this video, we're really going to cover e-commerce specifically, and I'm going to provide a couple examples. So the first business model that I'd like to talk about is a one-off product sale. And in most cases, this is retail. Of course, online, you can sell products that you created and you ship yourself, or you can sell someone else's products. You could also sell digital products, so non-physical products. For example, music, courses, video, code, games, things that you can download like a PDF file. If we take a couple examples of this, David's Tea sells physical products online. They're their own products. They sell tea. It's a physical good. If we take another example of digital products, if you check out Daniella.io/store, so I sell a course that teaches equity e-commerce, and it's really cool. I really like the business model of selling digital goods online because you don't have to physically ship the product. Another e-commerce business model is the subscription-based business model. Most often, this is a software as a service type of model. So they're going to give you access to something in return for a monthly or a yearly recurring revenue or fee. And in some cases, it's just a service that you're going to receive. For example, Netflix is a subscription-based product. So you pay every month to have a bunch of different shows that you can watch from your Netflix account. People can do this on their own website with a subscription box, for example. If you're a small and medium-sized business owner and you want to make recurring monthly revenue, you could sell a subscription box. So create a box of products that people subscribe to that you send out every month to your customers. The third business model I'd like to look at is print on demand. Print on demand is really cool for artists or influencers, people that have a large audience that they'd like to monetize. And what this consists in is you create a design or a visual or a graphic and you upload it to a product within a print on demand service. Now that product can be a t-shirt, it can be a hat, it could be a pillowcase. There's so many different options. And what happens is the print on demand service will take care of fulfilling orders for you. So your role is really to promote those products. And when someone purchases a product in your online store that is a print on demand item, the third-party fulfillment service will take care of printing that product and shipping it to the customer. What's really cool about this business model is that you don't have to physically create the t-shirt and print on it and then ship it to the customer. That third party will take care of it for you. If you're interested in learning more about print on demand, definitely check out the video above. There's a full course on print on demand available in my online store, Daniella.io/store. Dropshipping is another very popular business model. It's kind of like print on demand in a sense that you are marketing products that a third party will fulfill for you. So you could be selling furniture online, for example, but you don't actually have to physically ship a couch. A third party will take care of that for you that you're working with. Dropshipping can be a very interesting business model, but you definitely need to watch out for expenses. If you'd like to learn more about dropshipping, check out the playlist above. It's an entire free dropshipping course that I have on my YouTube channel where you can learn more about the setbacks, positives, negatives, and solutions to these issues with dropshipping. Another really interesting business model is the peer-to-peer business model, and this includes examples like Uber or Craigslist. And in most cases, the goal of this business model is to put people in touch so that they can fulfill a service together. So in the case of Craigslist, you might be selling a product to another person. In the case of Uber, you might be driving someone around. It's a service. Peer-to-peer platforms make money in a variety of different ways. They can be based on a subscription model. They can be based on just ad placement. If you're interested in learning more about how you can monetize a website, definitely check out the video above. It goes into detail about monetization. And in the case of peer-to-peer platforms, the monetization strategies are extremely varied. Another e-commerce business model is affiliate marketing. And this is pretty much selling other people's products. You don't actually have to physically ship them. Most often you receive a link from the company that you want to promote, and you receive a commission based on the sales that take place through your link. Now, of course, when you're affiliate marketing, the best thing to do is promote products that you actually care about and are passionate about. Here on this channel, I talk about equity e-commerce. It's a really cool e-commerce solution that I love to talk about. And so it's very easy for me to promote equity e-commerce as an affiliate. If you're interested in learning more about e-commerce and how to sell online with Ecwid, definitely check out the webinar above. I go into detail about what Ecwid is, how it works, and how to set it up. actually demonstrate how to set up Ecwid for free in that video. Now, some businesses actually combine these business models together. They could be drop shipping, they could be selling digital products, they could be doing print on demand at the same time. It can be a great way to diversify revenue streams when you're selling online. Hit the subscribe button if you like this video. This is where we talk about e-commerce for small and medium-sized businesses, especially those interested in selling online with Ecwid e-commerce. Thanks so much for watching.